Now to the weather watch, and it's looking like we'll have a fairly mild week ahead. Here is a live look outside over the city as the sun sets beautifully. There is a chance of showers, though. Steve Baskerville is here with our full forecast. Steve.
Erica, we do have those showers within the 7-day, but like you mentioned, it won't be tonight because it's a pretty nice Monday afternoon and early evening as well. We get that from weather watchers who've had an eye on the sky around here. And look at all these 70-degree temperatures. One thing about tonight, if you're going to be out, look at how cool it is. A little bit cooler along the lakefront with temperatures in the 70s. Let's start off here in Kankakee. That's where David is. And David's got 73 degrees. What kind of day was it there? He took a picture for us. Hazy sun this afternoon. You may have noticed that it really was a bit of a struggle to get complete sunshine. I don't think anybody had a completely sunny sky. Here's Mark, Homer Glen, beautiful fall day, great day with the dew points in the 50s. The yard could use some rain. We are relatively dry around here with all the talk about rain elsewhere. And look at that cloud cover. Some sun peeking through a very thin veil of clouds. You'll notice clouds increasing over the next couple of days. But you going out tonight? Let's get started and tell you about tonight's weather. We got a partly cloudy sky now. We'll keep that through the evening hours with a light breeze blowing off the lake. It's been easterly most of the day. Here are the official temperature readings. 71 degrees at O'Hare. It is 70 at Midway. And just like the weather watchers have noticed, both North and South Shore Chicago have temperatures in the 60s because of that chilly wind that's blowing. You're going out later on, sweater, jacket. Yeah, I think that probably is appropriate. Winds aren't that strong, though, only about 8 miles an hour in the city. You've got some stronger winds around Gary, but notice it's a calm wind up in McHenry County. So on the watch tonight after dark, we see the temperatures staying in the 60s, and we keep that partly cloudy sky all night long tonight. No rain on the radar, only those thin clouds that you can see moving in this direction from south to north, and we got high pressure anchored right around our area that has a lot to do with the weather over the next couple of days, and we'll fill you in more on that with that high in place there. And here's what's left of Irma, still a strong tropical storm now with most of the rain around northern parts of Georgia and around Atlanta. The Carolinas as well have some heavy rain falling. Here's the very latest information on the storm. North-northwest at 17 miles an hour, so it's moving relatively fast. The wind now, the sustained wind is at 50 miles an hour. We are keeping watch on another hurricane. That is Jose. It is a Category 2 storm with 100-mile-per-hour winds. A little unsure what this storm will do as it sort of moves around in a circle and not much steering the storm. Eventually it's a Category 1 hurricane, but it'll be right off the coast of the Carolinas possibly. More on that later on with the forecast. So tonight, partly cloudy. We'll play it cool with a temperature of about 57 degrees overnight tonight. Most of this week looks good. Here's another touch of summer coming on pretty strong over the weekend. Low 80s for Saturday and Sunday, but notice that Wednesday weather that has something to do with Irma.